What's up guys, and welcome back to JoJo Butter, your one-stop spot for tips and tutorials on natural men's skincare. And if you have dry, chapped, flaky, or dark lips, or maybe even you smoke, you should be using a lip exfoliator. Lip exfoliators are great at removing dead skin, re-moisturizing your lips, and evening out lip texture and tone. And in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 4-ingredient, all-natural, dark chocolate lip scrub that's great at gently exfoliating, re-moisturizing, and evening lip tone. So let's hop into it. The first ingredient we're using is virgin coconut oil, and you'll only need about 1 tablespoon of that. After, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I find olive oil to be very hydrating for the lips, and I see that it creates a shine for the lips that lasts almost all day long. You'll want to put this mixture into the microwave for about 10 seconds until that coconut oil melts. Then grab you some sugar. I'm using 2 tablespoons of organic, coarse, raw cane sugar. I do find coarse sugar to be very abrasive for the lips though, so I like to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I powder my own sugar by using a mortar and pestle, but you could use a sandwich bag and a hammer, or just buy some powdered sugar. The point is to get a nice, fine, powdered consistency. I start to slowly incorporate that into my mixture, and then I look for my last ingredient. Cocoa powder. Our last ingredient is cocoa powder, and you'll only be needing about a tablespoon for this lip scrub. Cocoa powder is amazing for the lips because it's packed with antioxidants, it fights harsh radicals, and cocoa powder helps with hyperpigmentation, meaning that your lip tone will be even all over. I added 1 more tablespoon of coarse sugar and 2 more tablespoons of finely powdered sugar. Get it to the consistency that I needed. The consistency we're going to be looking for is like a liquid golden brownie batter. We do want the coconut oil to re-solidify though, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. After that is re-solidified, grab you a fork and start to mash it up. The point of this process is to incorporate air and make an easily spreadable mixture. After you have a nice consistency, grab a little jar and put it in there. This lip scrub has been amazing for me. It's helped with dark spots, it's helped when my lips were chapped or flaky. I recommend it to everyone. You really gotta try this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you keep those lips buffed and bright now that you know how to make your own all-natural lip exfoliator. And please comment down below and let me know of any skincare products you're using so I can show you how to make them using 5 natural ingredients or less, or just tell me of any skin problems you're having so we can work that out. And please like this video, subscribe so you can stay tuned for more, and share so you can help somebody else. As always, stay aware, keep that skin clear. Always at JoJo Butter.